Oh, this is too much.
This is nice. Close your eyes again.
So I close it. You see when I open it. Oh.
Yeah, feel it. Come on.
Oh, I know. You play with it. No, you don't put it in and then you play with it?
No, put it where?
There.
No, I will never try that.
I have no idea.
You have no idea?
No, I've never seen it actually.
This is a spring epilator.
An epilator.
Yeah.
For which hair?
So you do like that, and then you do like that, and that's all.
So let me try. So you put it.
No, you will really try. You put like that.
You must open it and then you close it. Oh! Next. Show me the next one.
Okay.
Yes.
So now I have this gift for you. You can open it.
What is the use of this? Oh. I think I know what it is.
No.
No? Okay. Wait. Is it for the
For
VJ?
yours?
No, not mine. Yours.
Ah, okay.
It's a cup
Yeah.
for your period.
Yeah.
Yeah, I knew it. You see?
Yeah.
You put it in, and when you don't want to use a pad, you use that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I knew it.
It's a menstrual disc.
Okay.
You can put it.
This is huge.
Yeah.
It's actually really big. Next.
Wait. I will do it better.
What is that? It looks like a vase. You
Oh.
put flowers in it.
Well, you have a vase. Where are my flowers?
I don't know. This is for
For?
down there.
Again. Come on, do something.
What is it for? For makeup? For hair?
Almost for makeup.
To wash your brushes.
Yeah!
Yeah! I'm the best.
It's not for that, huh?
Come on, I really don't know how it is.
And you put this like that. This is a phone lamp. Yeah, this is.
How do you want me to find something like that? I thought it was for your
Okay.
down there.
Can we put the lights? No lights, please.
Okay. So
Like
you
this.
read with that at night?
And I read every night. I read
Yeah, she does.
Dostoevsky.
Dostoevsky.
No, really not. Let's go.
Can I have it? Oh, I think I know what it is.
Really?
Yes. I think when girl wants to pee,
Yeah.
they use it. That's the thing, right?
He's right.
I know. I'm the best man.
He's right.
I know. Yeah.
This is a female urination device.
This is good. This is nice.
Yeah.
And it smells good. So you didn't pee in it yet?
When I pee,
Yeah.
it smells nice.
I know.
You can. Oh, licorn! Oh my God!
I'm a
the
unicorn.
young maybe I can stay like that.
Next
Okay.
one.
Bye.
She's gone.
So here you are.
I actually have no idea.
You have no idea? What about that?
Lips?
Yeah?
Yes. Is it to put something in it to use to put on your lips?
No. This is amazing.
Yeah?
You put your lips inside
No way.
like this,
And what does it do?
and then your lips are even
Bigger?
Bigger, yeah.
Really?
Yeah, really. Try.
I put it in?
Yeah. Don't
And then?
laugh. Don't laugh. I think it's too small for you. Okay. And you breathe. Yeah, like that. Okay. Stay with me.
It's useless for me. I can't look. They're already
Okay,
perfect.
you don't need that. Here we go. Ba-bam.
Oh, I know.
What is it?
You push on the button,
Yeah?
it vibrates,
Yeah?
and
No! Babe!
what's the use of it?
Well, this, you do like that.
Yeah.
And normally it is for cats.
Okay.
You brush
Ah, okay. The cat.
cats. Yeah. You do like that when you have a cat. Do. Okay. More. So seriously, this is for my face. For cleaning, for remove makeup.
Makeup, okay.
All this kind of stuff.
Rolling.
Come on,
Rolling.
rolling. Okay. So we will do a test.
Okay. You got the table. That's a lot. Whoa, this is really nice. You can continue. I like it.
Try that with your boyfriend. He will love that. Please believe me.
So I just washed my face and touched my skin.
Oh my
It's really
God.
soft.
This is like a baby.
Guys, buy it. Okay, I keep that one.
Dance with me.
I have to dance with you?
Yeah, dance with me. Oh,
She
come
loves
on.
dancing.
Yeah. So I have two.
Okay.
So what is it?
It's massage.
Again, a licorn.
Wait.
Okay.
I have no idea.
Oh, come on. This is so easy. This is a vase
For what?
for flowers.
Come on.
These are cups
Okay.
for massage.
Massaging what? Your face?
Yeah. Well, I need some oil, please. Oil, please. Put on your face.
So I put everywhere on my face?
Everywhere.
Okay.
Nipples also.
No, don't do my nipple.
Okay.
You're obsessed with my nipple. I put that on my face.
Exactly like that.
Okay, I see the use of that. Oh, this is cool.
Use both of them. I need a third one. Do we have 10? Use everything. Do we have anything else? No, it's okay. So, yeah,
This is too much.
this is nice. This is next.
Okay.
I'm a little bit afraid because I don't know.
I think I know what it is.
You know, again?
Can I?
Yeah, of course, you can open it. You can also taste it.
Ah. I think that's for a nipple.
Yeah, this is for nipples.
Yeah, to hide your nipple when you wear like something a top or something like that.
Yeah, nipple cover. I would love to see you.
No, I have
This
no
is
hair.
not an epilator. We will do a test.
Yeah?
Yeah, with you.
With me?
Yeah. Come on, show me your
No,
nipples.
I'm not gonna show
Woo!
them.
You have to. You have to.
My hair, my hair.
What's going on? What's
My
going
hair.
on?
It took my hair.
Oh, come on. She's like.
It took my hair. I hope my mom
This
is not.
is
I hope my
so
mom is not
cute. This is so
I
cute.
hope my mom is gonna see that.
Oh, this is so cute. Hi, Mama.
This is Torian.
This is Krisa.
See you next time.
Thank you for watching us.
Bye-bye.
Bye.